Good evening, all. Bob at 2 pounds breaks on Friday. It is. Guys, my steel cold's caught my wheels. It is Friday, July the 21st. We are breaking Bomb Box Jerseys Plus Combo Series. It is a 1 box or 1 envelope break. Randomed up our 15 remaining in numbers. 16 is what we got. Random team sales. On your right, we have already randomized teams and customers. Alphabetized, y'all. Gave you a chance to trade. Nothing going down. So here we go. Well, going to be a Raiders hit there, fellas. With the Davante Adams. Bam! Well, I don't know if you had him, G. Gonna be Detroit spot with Miguel Cabrera for framed jersey. Nothing else in our envelope. Well, I'm sorry there, G. CJ, man. CJ's been fairly lucky since starting the room there. Alright, and then who has the Raiders? Well, you nailed that at least, G. Sorry, God, man. Pat, man, I don't know. I am so sorry, Pat. I don't know why I'm not pulling Pat any kind of fucking hits this series, man. Alright, so Cabrera going to CJ. Davante going to GG. Let me bring that up. We're going to random off the free spot at the end there, guys. Let me bring up Miggy for CJ. Alright, there you go, CJ. There is the Cabrera for you, bud. I'm not even sure if he knows he won it. I haven't seen him around yet today. Let me grab Davante first. G, bam. Gonna be Davante Adams, Beckett, Witness, hologram, G. going to pull one of CJ's, one of G's. 9 times, guys. Times. Well, I'm sorry everybody else. G also gonna get the repeat spot, folks. You can see we did that 9 times. That is gonna wrap up that. Oh, we got 14 boxes left. Tons of huge hits for you guys. Y'all have a good one.